Have you ever wondered how to make money fast? Well, you're not alone. In this constantly evolving world, financial stability is something we all strive for. But what if we told you there's a way to boost your bank balance without having to clock in those extra hours at work? Yes, that's right. We're talking about passive income, a method that allows you to earn money on autopilot, even while you sleep. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's setting up a revenue stream once and then letting the dollars roll in over time. It's the secret behind many success stories, and it could be yours too. Today we're going to discuss the top 5 ways to earn money swiftly through passive income. So buckle up and get ready to change your financial future. Stay with us as we explore the top 5 ways to make money fast through passive income. The first on our list is investing in stocks. Now, you might be wondering, what does investing in stocks mean? Well, it's quite simple. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company. This makes you a shareholder, and as the company grows and prospers, so does your investment. So how does it work? Companies issue stocks to raise money for various reasons, such as expanding their business or paying off debt. These stocks are then bought and sold on various stock exchanges. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. If a company is doing well, more people will want to buy its stock, and the price will go up. Conversely, if a company is doing poorly, the demand for its stock will decrease and the price will go down. Now here's where the passive income part comes in. Some companies pay dividends to their shareholders. A dividend is a portion of the company's profits that is distributed to its shareholders. So, if you own stocks in a company that pays dividends, you will receive a certain amount of money regularly without having to do any work. Isn't that fantastic? Take Warren Buffett, for instance, one of the most successful investors of all time. He started investing in stocks at the age of 11, and look where he is today. His company Berkshire Hathaway has consistently paid dividends to its shareholders, providing them with a steady stream of income. Or consider Peter Lynch, who managed the Fidelity Magellan Fund and consistently outperformed the market. He turned every dollar invested in his fund into $28 in just 13 years. That's the power of smart investing. However, it's important to note that investing in stocks isn't without risks. The stock market can be volatile and the value of your investment can go down as well as up. But with careful research, a well-diversified portfolio, and a long-term perspective, you can mitigate these risks and reap the benefits. So, investing in stocks can be a great way to make money fast if done right. Scene script. Next up, we have rental properties. Imagine this. You've got a property, maybe it's a house, an apartment, or even a commercial building. Instead of leaving it vacant or selling it outright, you decide to rent it out. This is the basic concept of rental properties as a form of passive income. Now let's delve a bit deeper. When you rent out a property, you're essentially becoming a landlord. You provide a space for someone else to live or do business, and in return they pay you rent. This rent becomes your income. The beauty of this method is that once the initial steps are taken care of, buying the property, setting up the lease, and finding tenants, the income starts flowing in regularly. It's like having a job where your money works for you instead of you working for your money. But it's not just about the money. Rental properties can also help you build wealth in the long run. How? Well, properties generally appreciate in value over time. This means that while you're earning rental income, your property is also likely increasing in value. It's like hitting 2 financial birds with 1 stone. Furthermore, rental properties offer a certain level of security. Unlike stocks or other forms of investments, properties are tangible. You can see them, touch them, and even live in them if you want to. This tangibility provides a sense of security and control that other investments may not offer. Now, of course, rental properties aren't without their challenges. You have to deal with maintenance, tenant issues, and market fluctuations. But with proper management and a solid strategy, these challenges can be overcome. So let's recap. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, potential property appreciation, and a certain level of security. It's an investment method that requires a significant upfront investment but can reap substantial rewards over time. Rental properties, therefore, can provide a steady stream of passive income. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. A term that might sound a bit technical, but is actually a straightforward concept. It's all about promoting products or services of a company, and earning a commission every time a sale is made or a specific action is taken through your referral. Imagine having a blog or a website where you share your expertise or passion. It could be anything from cooking to photography, fashion, or tech gadgets. Now let's say you find a product that perfectly aligns with your content and your audience's interest. You can become an affiliate for this product. You promote it on your platform, and every time someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can generate passive income. Once you've set up your website or blog, created quality content, and placed your affiliate links, you can earn money while you sleep. Every click, every sale happens automatically, whether you're actively working on your site or not. But like every other income-generating method, affiliate marketing comes with its own set of challenges. It requires a significant amount of work up front. Building a website or blog, creating engaging content, and growing an audience who trust your recommendations takes time and effort. Moreover, the success of affiliate marketing heavily relies on the products you choose to promote, the trust you build with your audience, and how well you market the products. Yet despite these challenges, the potential benefits are substantial. If done correctly, affiliate marketing can provide a steady stream of income, and the best part is, there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more effort you put into promoting your affiliate products, the higher your potential income. So if you have a knack for creating engaging content and a strong online presence, affiliate marketing can be your ticket to making money fast. It's a game of patience and strategy, but once you get the hang of it, the rewards can be well worth the effort. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money fast if you have a strong online presence. Fourth, we have creating an online course. This is a fantastic way to leverage your expertise, share knowledge, and earn money while doing it. You might be wondering, how do you go about this? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, you need to identify a subject you're skilled in, and that folks are interested in learning. This could be anything from coding to cooking, or even a unique hobby you've mastered. Then, you craft a comprehensive, easy-to-follow curriculum that effectively teaches this skill or knowledge. Once you have your course material ready, you can use platforms like Udemy or Coursera to host your course. These platforms have millions of users eager to learn, providing a ready market for your course. You set your price, and every time someone purchases your course, you earn money. It's essentially a product that sells itself over and over again. The potential returns? Well, they can be quite substantial. Top instructors on these platforms are known to earn six-figure incomes annually. And the benefits? You're not only earning passive income, but you're also contributing to the learning and growth of others, which is incredibly rewarding. Remember, the key to success here is creating a course that is high quality, engaging, and truly beneficial to your students. This ensures positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals, driving more sales. So creating an online course can be a profitable way to make money fast if you have a skill or knowledge that others want to learn. Last but not least, we have peer-to-peer lending. This is a fascinating concept that's gaining popularity in the world of finance. But what exactly is it? Well, peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P lending, is a system where individuals can lend their money directly to people in need, bypassing traditional financial institutions like banks. In its essence, P2P lending is all about connecting lenders with borrowers. It's like a social network for finance. You, as a lender, can choose who you want to lend your money to and set the terms of the loan. It's an empowering way to take control of your finances and potentially earn a nice return on your investment. This is a great way to generate passive income, as once you've lent out your money, you can sit back and watch as the interest payments roll in. However, it's worth noting that like all investments, there's a degree of risk involved. You have to be prepared that not all loans will be paid back, so it's essential to diversify your lending to mitigate this risk. There are many popular P2P lending platforms out there like Lending Club, Prosper, and Peerform. These platforms make it easy for you to get started with P2P lending, providing a platform where you can browse potential borrowers and manage your loans. So, peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to make money fast if you have some extra cash that you're willing to lend. Let's quickly recap the top 5 ways to make money fast through passive income. First, we talked about investing in stocks, a strategy that can provide substantial returns, but requires a considerable understanding of the market. Our second way was rental properties, a tangible asset that can generate steady income, provided you're ready to deal with management responsibilities. Thirdly, affiliate marketing made the list. A fantastic online venture that can yield significant profits with the right product and marketing tactics. We then touched upon creating an online course, a brilliant way to monetize your expertise and create a stream of income that can last for years. Lastly, we explored peer-to-peer lending, a modern financial solution that lets you play the banker and earn interest. Remember, the key to making money fast is to find the right passive income method that works for you. Thanks for watching.